I want that. Trying to get that thumb? Go ahead. Let's see if you can do it. You're almost there. Oh boy, look at that. Close, close, close. You can do it, Riley. Get that thumb. Bronx.
No.
Oops. You lost it, kid. You can get it. Get that thumb. Oh my. Oh boy, you did it. Oh, she did it, and I got it on video, Mom.
She did it? She did what?
She got her thumb.
She got her thumb.
And I got it.
Oh, hi, beautiful. Did you find your thumb?